everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S40 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, and here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the favorites, recents or contacts. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we have to tap on call blocking. And this is actually the blacklist, which is right now empty. So simply tap on add a number. And as you can see, here you can enter the number manually. So just do it and tap on block. And as you can see, it actually immediately appears on the blacklist. So it means that from now on, you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. And of course, if you want to, you can unblock this number just by tapping on this X button right next to it and tapping on unblock. So actually, this is it. This is how to block a number in your DOOGEE S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.